Hi friends, welcome to Holiday Cooking with Mrs. Inarra. I'm so happy you could join me. Today we're making Christmas reindeer. So I hope you have all your ingredients ready. If you don't, this is the time to get them all together. And here are my ingredients. Come so you can see them. You need Oreo cookies. You need M&Ms, white, green, and red. If you only have white or green, that's fine. I brought them both just in case. Some pretzels. I said either the twisty ones that come like this or the sticks. These are the only ones I could find. And some popsicle sticks or these little cooking sticks. All right? And a little plastic knife that I have to help with the peanut butter. That's going to be my glue. But you can also use Nutella or dulce de leche, like I said in the recipe, to use as glue. And I have one Christmas reindeer already done so you can see what our final product is supposed to look like. Here it is. Tell me he's not the cutest thing. All right, as we're getting ready, what's the first thing that we have to do? You got it. We have to wash our hands, as good cooks always do. So get some soap and water or hand gel and rub it all over, front and back, in the middle of those fingers. Make sure you get your thumbs and your nails where all that dirt gets. Okay, I want to show you some holiday decorations that I have around that I made and I got out just for you. I have one here that I actually made last year, and I have my Santa cookie jar. I have, of course, my holiday earrings on, Christmas trees, and my Santa Claus pin, and my super teacher holiday pin from when I was a teacher, and a shout out to all your super teachers who I love so much. Okay, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so get your popsicle stick. You want to get your Oreos. And you're going to stick it right into the middle, kind of just halfway up. There we go. Looks good already, right? Good enough to eat. Okay, so now you want to get a pretzel stick. I'm going to break it in half, this one, and I stick it right. It's kind of difficult, to say the truth, because it has to fit inside and it kind of opens up the Oreo. So you want to be careful when you're sticking it in. There we go. Didn't go too bad. Push it together so it stays put for you. Now we'll put it down. And now you choose the color of the eyes. Maybe you have both white and green M&Ms. I'm going to choose green for this one, so I need to get 2 green out, and the red for the nose. So I get my little knife and get out your glue, whatever it is that you're using, peanut butter or Nutella or dulce de leche, and you're going to get your M&M and you're going to put a little bit on it and stick it right there for one eye. And here we go for the other eye. And now we need to put on Rudolph's nose. Can't forget the most important part. So here we go, it looks good. Now in the ingredients, I told you to get a Sharpie marker, didn't I? Because I was thinking we'll just paint on the little black part of the eye. Because in the real recipe it says these candies that look like googly eyes, which we can't find here in Bolivia. So I said we'll just put it with Sharpie marker. But then I'm like, Miss Inarra, we can't eat an M&M that has a Sharpie marker on it. So my very smart daughter said, why don't you just put a little bit of the glue that you're using as the eye in the middle part. So that's what we're gonna do in the middle of each M&M. What do you think? Holiday reindeer ready to eat. So here we have 2. Let's make one more. Are you ready? This time it'll be fast because we have it all down. So easy to make, right? Cut it in half. You know the routine. Stick the pretzel in. Other pretzel in. You can make them kind of crazy if you want. There we go. Now we'll make white eyes and a green nose. Put the white eye on, the glue on it. One goes down. Glue on the next one. There we go. And now for the nose. These look so good. Can't wait to eat them. And my favorite thing when I eat Oreos is, you know what? To have a big glass of milk with it. Yum! Nice cold milk and Oreos. Can't beat that. And now we put the little dots on for the eye. One right there. Oops, doesn't want to come off my little, there we go. This one looks like he's a little bit sleepy. He's kind of slanted the middle part. There we go. And there you have it. Another Christmas holiday reindeer. So here's our 3. You can eat 2 and give 1 to your helper, whoever was with you today. How about that? I hope you enjoyed holiday cooking with me. I hope you have a great vacation. Rest, be safe. God bless you. You know how much I love you. I can't wait to see you in January. Bye, everyone.